A very warm and graceful morning to one and all present here. It is my proud privilege to extend a warm welcome to all of you to the Founders Day function of SDPS East Punjabi Power. Ever since the foundation stone was laid, the school has flourished manifold. A group of enlightened scholars, out of the benevolence, conceptualized their ideology and led the foundation stone to serve the society with education. They pondered over a need to establish a perfect blend between modernity and traditions, thus mooted the name of Esri Public School. To begin with, they started their journey in 6 rooms, which were constructed in barracks. Every school has a journey to rise to the ladder of success, but they have to endeavor hard to achieve a benchmark for which the contribution of management, principals, teaching staff, and the supporting staff is of paramount consideration. Our school, STPS, since its inception, always has a dream to touch the height of success. It is the right time to rededicate our sincere gratitude towards this noble cause propounded by SD Education Trust.
Create the highest, the grandest vision possible for your life. Because you become what you believe. Today, on the occasion of our school's Founders Day, we welcome all the trustees, members of the managing committee, principal, alumni, staff members, lovely children, and all the well-wishers, those who are watching this event right now. The zeal to celebrate the day is no less than a festival. We have brought a rainbow of presentation to you. Each SDPN is gyrating at the revelry of the very existence of our dear school. Let's see how the school is undergoing a sea change and the transcending concerns of education through the small endeavor of ours. I now hand over the mic to Jitin Balani of class 11 and Shiba of class 9. Thank you.
So, good morning, everyone present here. We are here to celebrate Founders Day, so now let's begin with the celebration. Darkness cannot drive out darkness, only light can do that.
Each daybreak brings a hope to see another morning, another day, another ray.
Let's pray and seek the blessings of Almighty on the very auspicious day of the inception of our school, and also let's play a flashback with Inception Rewind.
Inception Rewind.
कुन्देन्दु तुषारहार धवला या शुभ्र वस्त्रावृता या वीणा वरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेत पद्मासना.
We are fortunate to have amongst us the very well-known, lovable personality, our own chairman, Sir Shri Dayal Chand Garg. Welcome, sir. The magnanimous personality, very well known for years, has served the society with utmost dedication. He is a staunch devotee of Lord Hanuman and served the society, the nation. He is associated with various organizations Maharaja Agrasen Hospital, and Haryana Swasthya Mandal, and the chairman of SGPS East Punjab Vibhag. Now, I invite Chairman Sir to speak a few words.
जय श्री राम। आज ट्रस्ट के स्थापना दिवस के अवसर पर सनातन धर्म परिवार में उपस्थित सभी विद्यार्थी, अभिभावक, अध्यापक गण, प्राचार्य महोदय, मैनेजिंग कमेटी के सभी सदस्यों को बहुत बहुत बधाई। जिस सपने को लेकर 37 वर्ष पूर्व विद्यालय की नींव रखी गई थी, उसका उद्देश्य था समाज को एक अच्छा विद्यालय देना और विद्यार्थियों के व्यक्तित्व का विकास करना, कि अब यहाँ से विद्यार्थी शिक्षा ग्रहण करके जाएं, वह देश के लिए एक अच्छी मिसाल बन सके। इसके लिए मेरे अन्य साथी, उन सभी को योगदान भुलाया नहीं जा सकता। हम सभी के लिए आज यह गर्व की बात है कि हमारा सनातन धर्म पब्लिक स्कूल पंजाबी विभाग नीम से शिखर की ओर अग्रसर हो रहा है। इसके लिए आप सभी को बहुत बहुत बधाई, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir, for your kind words.
We are fortunate to have amongst us Dr. Sushil Kumar Gupta, Member of Parliament, the person whom we have known from years, who with his hard work, perseverance, leadership qualities, and very ambitious nature has found a place for him in Rajya Sabha. He is a renowned personality. He is highly qualified with BCom, LLB, MBA, and D.Litt. He is an eminent educationist, agriculturist, and social worker who has established an array of educational institutes which are imparting education to more than 15,000 students.
He is founder chairman of a number of schools, including Ganga International School and ST Public School. His contribution towards the welfare of the society does not cease at education only. It grows in the fields of healthcare, cultural, religious, and recreational organizations. He is the president of various centers, clubs, and charitable societies.
We have had the privilege of getting the benefit of your expertise in the field of education, and now the whole nation will get the benefit of the same. I am sure with your ethical presence, you will be able to take the country to greater heights. I request the illustrious personality, Dr. Sushil Kumar Gupta, to say a few words on the foundation day of our school.
नमस्कार। आज के इस कार्यक्रम में फाउंडर डे जो आप मना रहे हैं, इस पे ट्रस्ट के सनातन धर्म पब्लिक स्कूल के सभी अध्यापकों को, प्रिंसिपल को, के सभी पदाधिकारियों को, शिक्षकों को और बच्चों को मेरी शुभकामनाएं। शिक्षा दुनिया का सबसे महत्वपूर्ण कार्य है और ट्रस्ट ने इस कार्य को चुना। जो भी प्रारंभ में जिन लोगों ने बैठ के ट्रस्ट को बनाया, और ट्रस्ट के आज 2 स्कूल, दोनों सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल अफोर्डेबल प्राइजेस पे बिना लाभ हानि के आधार पे बच्चों को शिक्षा दे रहे हैं। मैं बधाई देना चाहूंगा ट्रस्ट के सभी ट्रस्टियों को। आज के इस युग के अंदर जो शिक्षा है वो सबसे महत्वपूर्ण जीवन के अंदर आने वाला एक ऐसी क्रिया है जो व्यक्ति इसको ग्रहण कर लेता है, ना कोई चुरा सकता, ना कोई कम कर सकता। जितना इस्तेमाल इसका करता है व्यक्ति जिंदगी के अंदर उतनी ही बढ़ती। जो भी शिक्षक है तो दुनिया का हर व्यक्ति अपने जीवन की जो प्रकृति की सबसे बहुमूल्य धरोहर है उसका अपना बच्चा शिक्षकों को सौंपता है कि आप इसको तराशें, इसको निखारें और दुनिया के अंदर मेरा और मेरे देश का नाम रोशन करे। आप इस स्तर तक लेकर जाएं। शिक्षा से जुड़े हुए सभी व्यक्ति, मैं समझता हूं कि एक पीढ़ी से चीजें ग्रहण करके अगली पीढ़ी को सौंपने का काम करते हैं, उसके अंदर कुछ एडिशन। अभी तक जो कुछ दृष्टि ने संग्रहित किया है नॉलेज की शेप के अंदर, चाहे वो इंजीनियरिंग का विषय हो, चाहे वो मेडिकल का विषय हो, चाहे वो कॉमर्स का हो, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन का हो, जो भी वैल्यूज व्यक्ति के पास आई है, जो नॉलेज व्यक्ति के पास आई है, उसके अंदर कुछ एडिशन करके अगली पीढ़ी को सौंपने का सभी शिक्षक कार्य करते हैं। दुनिया की लगभग 50% पॉपुलेशन शिक्षा से सीधी जुड़ी है। या बीवी और 2 बच्चों की बात करूं तो बच्चे स्कूल या कॉलेज जा रहे हैं, तो उसके साथ में कुछ उनको पढ़ाने वाले, कुछ उनका एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन करने वाले, कुछ उनकी किताबें छापने वाले, कुछ ट्रांसपोर्ट चलाने वाले, सीधा सीधा 50% दुनिया के लोग शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में लगे हुए हैं। हिंदुस्तान के अंदर नई एजुकेशन पॉलिसी आई है, देखना पड़ेगा कि कितनी मेहनत से इसके ऊपर लागू करके हम कर पाएंगे। शिक्षा के ऊपर 6% बजट के रिकमेंडेशन आज से 3 दशक पहले की गई थी कि भारत सरकार कम से कम 6% जीडीपी का शिक्षा पे खर्च करे। दुर्भाग्य से आजादी के 73 साल बीत चुके हैं, परंतु हम अभी शिक्षा पे लगभग 2.5% खर्च करते हैं। दिल्ली सरकार शिक्षा पे 28% खर्च कर रही है। पहली बार दिल्ली सरकार ने सरकारी स्कूलों की परिभाषा को बदल दिया। शिक्षा कितनी महत्वपूर्ण है कि अपने बजट के माध्यम से, अपने रिजल्ट के माध्यम से, स्कूलों के ओवरऑलिंग के माध्यम से, टीचर्स की ट्रेनिंग के माध्यम से, प्रिंसिपल्स की ट्रेनिंग के माध्यम से दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट ने न केवल हिंदुस्तान को दिखाया, अभी तो दुनिया के बाकी लोग भी आज दिल्ली की तरफ देखने लगेंगे कि शिक्षा में, विशेषकर सरकारी स्कूलों की व्यवस्था में कैसे आमूल परिवर्तन किया। अमेरिका के राष्ट्रपति डोनाल्ड ट्रंप जब हिंदुस्तान के अंदर आए तो अमेरिका के प्रथम लेडी ने भी दिल्ली के सरकारी स्कूलों को देखना चाहा और उन्होंने देखा। मैं इस विषय पे विशेषकर दिल्ली के शिक्षा मंत्री मनीष सिसोदिया जी और अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को बधाई देना चाहूंगा। आज कोविड का युग है। कोविड ऐसा समय है जब समूचे विश्व के अंदर पहली बार सभी धार्मिक संस्थान बंद हुए, मंदिर, मस्जिद, गुरुद्वारे, गिरजाघर। मनुष्य और मानवता ने अपने अस्तित्व को बचाने के लिए अपने आप को घरों के अंदर बंद किया। इस वायरस के लिए कोई वैक्सीनेशन ढूंढने के लिए दुनिया भर के सभी देश काम कर रहे हैं, परंतु कामयाबी मिलने में भी थोड़ा सा समय है। मैं आज के दिन पे ये कहना चाहूंगा कि जिस प्रकार जनरेशन का नजरिया बदल गया था शिक्षकों के प्रति, डॉक्टरों के प्रति, उस नजरिए को बदलने की जरूरत है। कोविड से हमें सीखना पड़ेगा। जिस प्रकार बॉर्डर के ऊपर सिपाही अपनी जान की परवाह किए बिना दुश्मन की गोली के सामने सीना तान के खड़ा रहता है, उसी प्रकार हमारे डॉक्टर्स, नर्सेस, पैरामेडिकल स्टाफ अपनी जान की परवाह न किए हुए कोरोना के रोगियों की सेवा करते हुए हॉस्पिटल में लगातार ड्यूटी कर रहे हैं। लगभग 40% लोग दिल्ली के अंदर कोरोना के संपर्क में किसी न किसी तरीके से आए हैं, परंतु दिल्ली सुरक्षित है, वो संसाधन उपलब्ध हैं। आज के इस फाउंडर डे पर मैं डॉक्टरों को भी सैल्यूट करता हूँ। वहीं पर दिल्ली के जितने अध्यापक हैं, ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन के माध्यम से कोरोना के इस युग के अंदर बच्चों को लगातार शिक्षा से जोड़ के रखा। प्रतिदिन जो क्लास थी, टीचर्स का और स्टूडेंट्स का जो संपर्क बनना चाहिए था वो लगातार बना रहा। मैं सभी अध्यापकों को भी इस पर बधाई देना चाहूंगा कि आपने इस पावन कार्य को, इतने भी कठिनाई के दिन आए परंतु इसको निरंतर जारी रखा। सनातन धर्म एजुकेशन ट्रस्ट कई दशकों से लगातार निस्वार्थ भाव से आपके विद्यालय के विद्यार्थी जी, आपके मैनेजर गोपाल जी, कार्यकारिणी के सभी सदस्य मिलकर ये कोशिश करते हैं कि किस तरीके से बेहतर स्थिति में हम इस विद्यालय को लेकर आए। आज के इस दिन पे मैं विद्यालय के सभी शिक्षकों को और विद्यार्थियों को पुनः बधाई देता हूँ। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Thank you, sir, for your words of wisdom.
A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and when the steps are in multitude, the progress is by leaps and bounds.
Starting from a dozen of students in 1983 to the journey of recognition of our school was full of trials and tribulations. But none stopped and kept stepping various milestones. Presenting
Journey Part 1.
भूलेंगे न हम उन्हें जिनसे है भागवान, कोशिशों से जिनके महका अपना रास्ता। भूलेंगे न हम उन्हें जिनसे है भागवान, कोशिशों से जिनके महका अपना रास्ता। भूलेंगे न हम उन्हें। पुकार लो, आधार है वही, इस ज्ञान दिव्य ज्योति के प्रकाश है वही। पुकार लो, आधार है वही, इस ज्ञान दिव्य ज्योति के आधार है वही।
my school is my pride.
It is so because here I learn to read, write, live, and most importantly, I learn to be a true human being. My school provides me with a blithesome atmosphere to shape my personality. The same line of thought is oozing out of my fellow SDPNs in the following presentation.
Presenting my school, my pride.
Hello everyone, my name is Haran Singh from Pre Primary class. I want to express a sincere gratitude for all the effort the school has taken to shape my future. My school, my pride. Every child is like a flower who blossoms with love, care, and affection. Thank you to my school principal sir and teachers for helping me to grow and learn. Roses are red, violets are blue. With big hug, I want to say thank you. My name is Advika Tripathi. I study in class 1. Today is a very special day in the calendar of ST Public School, New Delhi. Today we are celebrating Founders Day of our school. This day we remember founders of the school. I feel proud as a student of ST Public School. Our school set many milestones in the sports at national level. हम लोग की I'm proud to be a part of this school as I feel my school is the best. We are not just taught how to read and write, but also the importance of moral values and different opportunities or activities help us in shaping our own personality. Punctuality, discipline, and manners. My school is a place where I learn all these qualities. I love my school very much. My school is my pride. In the 7 years old relation which I have cherished with my STPS, I have been nourished to blossom and become a person with clear thought process. Here, countless values are embedded in each and every student. I am proud to be an STPN. Thank you.
So very beautiful morning to all present over here. Myself Suhani Rana from class 8A from Sanatan Dharam Public School, East Punjab Vibhag. My school is my pride, and it is so because at my school I learned so many things. I have met the enlightened teachers who impart to me the light of knowledge and thus illumine my world which would have remained dark. I've also met my friends in the form of classmates who make my world so colorful and vibrant with their friendship. Thank you.
That was indeed an overwhelming rush of belongingness and love towards the school.
Founders realize that school infrastructure improves performance, sets out well-being, and also emphasizes on a student-friendly ambience. Keeping the same in mind, in the next decade, the school started updating itself with the changing level of the society. Here are all the state-of-the-art facilities available.
Let's now jot the vision on the second decade of journey from recognition to the starting of the new era of changes.
Journey Path 2.
आगाज था आराम का बढ़ते कदम अब कह उठे आगाज था आराम का बढ़ते कदम अब कह उठे वो किश्तियाँ मोड़ लाए थे तूफानों को भी तोड़ के वो किश्तियाँ मोड़ लाए थे तूफानों को भी तोड़ के हर लहर लहर हर डगर डगर परचम अपना फहराया हर लहर लहर हर डगर डगर परचम अपना फहराया पुकार लो आधार है यही इस ज्ञान दे ज्योति के प्रकाश है यही पुकार लो आधार है वही इस ज्ञान दे ज्योति के प्रकाश है वही
We are proud to be a part of this legacy. It happens to reach its golden years soon.
Parents' love is the only love that is truly selfless, unconditional, and forgiving.
We never know the love of our parents till we become parents ourselves. Parents were the only one obligated to love you. From the rest of the world, you have to earn it.
We are here because of them only. Let's hear those who are worshipped as good as God. Let's hear out parents' voice.
I have two daughters studying in SD Public School. I am very happy that I choose SDPS for my daughters. She is well looked after in school and learn a lot of things, progressing every day. Very good, helpful teachers and staff. I value the combination of nurture and academic focus, strong leadership, good teaching, and nurturing environment. Every parent wants this to their child, and I got this all things in SDPS. Proud to be a part of SDPS family. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Anil Vashne and I was born and brought up in Delhi. I'm a chartered accountant by profession, and I wish my kids to serve this esteemed profession. And so I wanted my kids to have an excellent quality education from an expert panel in this industry. I went through various profiles of different schools. I also went through the profiles of few of the kids of my friends and relatives, and found that they got their education from SD Public School, and today they are serving successfully different industries. And so I decided to enroll my kids in the same school, SD Public School, East Punjabi Bagh. And now I'm satisfied with their track records and success.
नमस्कार, प्रिंसिपल महोदय, शिक्षकगण, अभिभावक एवं प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, मैं मनीषा सिंह, छात्रा गुरनूर कौर कत्याल, कक्षा दूसरी ए की अभिभावक, आपके समक्ष उपस्थित होकर गौरव का अनुभव कर रही हूँ। विद्यालय के स्थापना दिवस के अवसर पर सभी अभिभावकों की ओर से अशेष शुभकामनाएं। विद्यालय राष्ट्र के निर्माण में महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाते हैं। बच्चों में अच्छे संस्कार डालकर उन्हें उत्तरदायी नागरिक बनाते हैं। वास्तव में विद्यालय विद्यार्थी का पूर्ण विकास कर उन्हें हर चुनौती से निपटने के लिए तैयार करते हैं। इन कसौटियों पर एसडी पब्लिक स्कूल की शिक्षा व्यवस्था उत्तम कोटि की है। प्रिंसिपल महोदय सहित सभी शिक्षक बड़ी मेहनत व लगन से इस पुनीत कार्य में लगे रहते हैं। वास्तव में शिक्षा आपके लिए व्यवसाय न होकर किसी पूजा से कम नहीं। मैं सभी शिक्षकों का आभार प्रकट करती हूँ जिन्होंने कोविड जैसी महामारी के समय बच्चों की सुरक्षा का ध्यान में रखते हुए ऑनलाइन क्लासेस की शुरुआत की। अंत में मैं बहुत ही गौरवान्वित महसूस करती हूँ कि मैंने अपनी बेटी के लिए एसडी पब्लिक स्कूल जैसे विद्यालय का चयन किया। धन्यवाद।
Parent, if I talk about SDPS, then it is the only school who is really has very strong roots to hold and very high wings to fly in this limitless sky. It is providing all the possible opportunities for its students, for their growth and the holistic growth of their school as well. It is providing maximum opportunities. It always concedes that one can go fast alone, but to go further, we have to walk together with the spirit of teamwork, collaboration, and mutual respect. And I wish lots of luck, lots of good wishes for all the SDPNs for the upcoming years. Thank you.
Myself, Shalini Sharma, and I'm the guardian of Haran Singh from pre-primary section. I would like to start with a big thanks to all the chairpersons, founders, principal, and the whole faculty of SD Public School. The school has all the facilities required for the overall development of a child. Time to time, teachers encourage the child to participate in inter-school competition, which helps the self-confidence of the child as well. Workshops like good touch, bad touch, and other life skills as well. In the last, I would like to say that the second home of our child, which is known as school, will reopen as soon as possible. Finger crossed. Thanks a lot. Stay safe. Stay home. Thank you.
Thank you, dear parents. We are indebted to get that appreciation.
Our school's culture is just great. We not only pay attention to the academics but also get a lot of opportunities to showcase our talent. That's the idea behind the house system, which is of the great importance to school life. Its function is to inculcate the spirit of healthy competition among students and encourage it within the school.
The program is incomplete if we don't add the inception of our culture to establishment of our four houses, namely Pragati, Niti, Shanti, and peace.
Let's see the worthy house captains who are eager to play the clarion of their houses.
Kirti House, a place for knowledgeable, inspiring, reliable, talented, and ignited minds. Blue represents both the sky and the sea and is associated with open spaces, freedom to express, expansiveness, and inspiration. Blue also represents meaning of trust, loyalty, sincerity, wisdom, confidence, faith, and intelligence. Further, as a house captain, I would ensure that each and every child gets a chance to express his or her talent. Thank you.
We have chosen the color as red.
Full of nobles, inspiring, truthful, and intelligent students. Red is the color of fire and blood, so it is associated with energy, strength, power, determination, as well as passion, desires, and love. Red is a very emotionally intense color. It enhances human metabolism and increases respiration rate. As a house captain, I would love to encourage my house members to have competitive spirit. I will motivate them to try and win all the tasks assigned to them, like they should have a competitive spirit in life.
We define Pragati as passionate, revolutionary, administrative, goal oriented, aesthetical, thrilling, and the students with idealistic minds. It is a temple for learning. Green is the color of nature. It symbolizes growth, harmony, and freshness. Green has strong emotional correspondence with safety. Green also brings with it a sense of hope, health, and adventure. As a house captain, I would like to organize some debate competitions, MUNs. This would also help the students in their academics. I would like to see my house reach the zenith.
Shanti represents sophisticated, honest, admirable, neutral, tireless, and innocent minds. Yellow is the most luminous of all the colors of the spectrum. It's the color that captures our attention more than any other color. It's the color of happiness and optimism, of alignment and creativity, sunshine and spring. As the house captain, I wish to organize a lot of activities to develop the disciplinary skills amongst the students. Such a spirit will also boost up the number of participants in various competitions. I will like to see my house flag soaring high. Thank you.
Thank you to all the house captains. Today you lead the school, tomorrow your students will lead the world. The school induces in its students a sense of responsibility and ambition to reach to zenith. Here we have some golden stars of our school who have embossed their names in shining glinting colors by scaling heights and attaining name and fame.
Let's unfold the glory of the school by talking to our alumni.
Wishing you all a very happy Foundation Day. I am Dr. Lalit Mani, a proud alumni of 1995 batch of SD Public School, East Punjabibad. I feel really thankful to all the teachers, principal, and the staff of the school for all the values and education I received, which helped me to achieve my ambition in life, that is to become a doctor. Wishing all the teachers and students to work hard and bring greater laurels to the school. May the school achieve greater heights. Thank you.
My name is Ripu Daman Khurana and I am a proud alumni of my beloved SD Public School. First of all, I would like to congratulate the entire team of SDPS on the occasion of Foundation Day. Indeed, It gives me immense happiness and pleasure to speak on the occasion of the Foundation Day of the school which has in turn contributed a lot in laying down the foundation of my career. And at present, with the grace of God and blessings of everybody, I am heading the key finance functions of Maruti Suzuki India Limited. Thanks for giving me opportunity to be part of this celebration.
Greetings of the day. I am Shikha Gupta, currently a faculty at Faculty of Management Studies, University of Delhi, and a doctoral student at Delhi Technological University, and a proud alumni of Sanatan Dharam Public School, Punjabi Bagh. As the height of a building is decided by the strength of its foundation, similarly, an individual's growth is decided by the ground foundation laid by the school. At SDPS, the teachers and even the non-teaching faculty made sure that our learning is always smooth and uninterrupted. For me, our respected teachers are the same as what Lord Krishna was to Arjun in the battlefield. We didn't even realize when they killed the fears within us and helped us evolve with their holistic approach. In the last, I can just say, I am what I am. You made me what I am.
I thank you, SDPS, from the bottom of my heart for this life. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I'm Shreya and I'm an assistant professor in one of the reputed colleges of University of Delhi. The school has an open culture which promotes you to pursue any subject of your choice. I have beautiful memories of the school which I'm going to cherish throughout my life. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, I'm CA Varun Grover. First of all, I would like to congratulate the school for celebrating Founders Day today. I feel honored to be a part of this. The best memory of school for me will always be the times when I got the recognition, be it for the teacher's speech or maybe winning some debate. That filled me with confidence that today I'm working for one of the biggest management consultancy firms in the world, that is McKinsey & Company. I would like to take a moment to express my gratitude towards the teachers and towards the school.
I feel proud to be a part of the school. Let's have a look on the fourth decade of the journey till date. We are soaring high. We are scaling heights. We are going right and booming might. We know how to ascend. We will polish our strength. Presenting before you the journey till date. Journey part 3.
ठान लिया है हमने मन में आसमान को छूना है। ठान लिया है हमने मन में आसमान को छूना है। शुभ संकल्प लिया जो हमने उसको पूरा करना है। हाथ मिला करे कदम बढ़ा करे, हाथ मिला करे कदम बढ़ा करे, हमें पहुंचना है। नीर से शिखर तक, शिखर तक 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 नीर से शिखर तक।
It's the time to adorn those SDPNs who have excelled in general knowledge with NIE Quest and fun and frolic activities. Let's felicitate with auspicious certificates for their never-ending aspiration.
I feel privileged to announce the names of the rank holders from Class 1, and the first position holders are Bhavya Mishra, Kaneksh Uppal, Karthik Uppal, and Vihan Kohli. And second position is secured by Anya Sharma, Advika Tripathi, Ananya Sagar, Aryan, Bhavya Mittal, Devik, Ekant Saxena, Pranav Saxena, Shaurya Sharma, and Vidya. And the first position is backed by Ayush Gupta, Abhinav Sharma, Dev Sharma, Krish Bindal, Manav Pihu, Puneet, Saransh Shukla, Shauli Pratap Chauhan, Swayam Mohanty, and Urvit Sapra. Congratulations to you all.
The rising stars from class 2 are Agam Singh, Aryan Mata, Gulnoor Kaur Katyal, Jeeval, Saksham Jain, Shreya Rawat, and Sumanshu Gambhir. They stood first. The second position holders are Ekta, Hansika, Jatin Chopra, Kanak Saxena, Lipika, Srihan Panda, Vidita Arora, and Yash Jindal. They stood second. The third position holders are Tanika, Divi, Divyam Vagga, Gunjan Uppal, Kaira Maheshwari, Sarthak Kumar, Siddhant Chauhan, Swastik Kashyap, Tanishq Punia, Vihan Goyal, and Vihan Verma.
So let's have a look on the shining stars from class 3rd, and the first position is bagged by Prerna Patel, and second by Astik Ashrani and Naman Kundal, and the third position is secured by Gitan Sharma and Pratham Grover. Congratulations to them as well.
The winners from class 4th are Yash Goyal stood first, Arav Jain secured second position, Pari Goyal and Subhavi Gupta bagged the third position.
Let's move on to the rank holders from class 5, and the first position is taken by Devashri, and second by Manat Ajmani, and the third position holders are Alkama Mubashir and Vansh Bindal.
Let's congratulate the winners from class 6 who came out with flying colors. Krishna Garg stood first, Aksh Kansal secured second position, Arush Chandel, Aryansh Gaur, Deep Bhatia and Janvi Sharma secured the third position.
So now let's move on to the rising stars from class 7, and the first position is secured by Krish Ralhan and Saksham Chandel, and Krishna Madan stood second and Sanvi stood third.
I feel privileged to announce the winners from class 8. Harkirat Singh, Vivek Bera and Nishika Jain stood first, second and third.
Wow, my heart is still smiling. What about you, my friend?
I am touched beyond words.
The journey was fabulous. It made my day.
I am deeply thankful to the Almighty who made this day a grand success with His blessings.
Let us pay respectful homages to the group of people who have been an integral part of the Founders' Day.
I feel gratitude towards the members of the managing committee for believing in us and extending their continuous support.
We thank our respected principal, sir, and teachers for guiding and enlightening our path of success. A special thanks to all those who have contributed in the making of this gala event worth memorable.
A sincere thanks to the parents for extending their hand in whatever task we take up in school.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now I request everyone to salute the nation, stand up for national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे